This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Laura Spiegner. Brand new roof and fresh painted exterior. Move-in ready. Located 10 minutes to Kennedy Space Center. Florida living at its finest in this well-appointed open, split floor plan. Oversized lot, large screened back porch, plenty of space for a pool. Primary suite will delight you with vaulted ceiling, large walk-in closet, deep soaker tub, glass enclosed shower and double sink vanity. Additional features: hurricane shutters, new septic system, black stainless steel appliances and inside laundry room. Energy efficient insulation/solar powered attic fan. Average power bill $116. Conveniently located near Manatee Park, launch your kayaks, local beaches, Port Canaveral, and convenient to shopping. 45-minute drive to MCO, Orlando International Airport. This gem won't last. For more information